These two are a fit power couple. They dance really well. They have been in love for so long. I find their relationship extremely cute. She actually brought out the best in him. I'm talking about Isuru and Natasha.
Hi, I'm Natasha Fonseca. I'm the owner of Fit.lk, which is a team of fitness professionals, and also the owner of Fueled Cafe and Health Bar. So Dhanu's invited us on this show, and I've seen a couple of the others. And I'm hoping that we won't be put through the same scenarios and he'd be a little nicer to us. Okay, so I don't know Dhanu that well, I just know him through Isuru. However, I find it really amusing how he wants to talk about my husband's glutes all the time. I don't know if that's a thing that he does to everybody, but maybe I'll just let him talk about it just for this show.
I am Isuru Fonseca, founder of Fit.lk and Fueled Cafe. Most of you know me as a fitness trainer, also as a therapist. So I also have a brand called Body Mechanic that do physiotherapy. So I have been invited to go with a date with Dhanu. Let's see how it goes, because I'm also a bit nervous with the questions that he's going to ask, like everyone else, especially me. Let's see how it goes. This is the best part, talking about Dhanu. For what I know, he's a drama queen. He likes to read people's faces, and he likes to gossip about people, and he has the most amazing fake laugh that you all know, that you see. And I know he's going to trash me, and I think this is the only time he'll get to take me on a date.
Alright, so as I told you, I have Isuru and Natasha. Now, considering the fact that nowadays fitness has become such a big trend, everyone wants to be fit, and some people have actually achieved their target, and some people are just work in progress. You know, when it's Sigiriya, nobody built it in a day, right? I'm Sigiriya. Alright, welcome to the show. Thank you for being here. Now, don't put your leg up.
Thank
They
you for
just
having
told
us.
you no. Oh, okay, fine. Natasha, you look phenomenal.
Thank you.
Yeah. You know what's amazing about these two? Every time I meet them, they'll give me some health tip, like free of charge, just like a
Yeah.
health tip. And most of it has worked.
Thank God.
Yes. All right. Huh?
You need it.
Yeah, I know. So let's speak a little bit about the two of y'all.
Yeah.
Y'all have been going out forever.
About 10 years.
10 years.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Married for 5 years.
Yeah. What made you say yes to him?
Oh my God. It was a difficult 4 years because we were in and out of the relationship.
okay.
But funnily, I don't know why, I just couldn't. He kept coming back, and even the last time when I thought I wouldn't take him back, I still did. There was something about him. I think.
I'm still trying to see it. So y'all have become known in society as a pair that really contributes towards the fitness life.
Yeah.
How did y'all sort of go into it? Y'all were both into dancing at one time.
So I started with dancing at age 17, and I was a puny kid, and I needed to create a physique also for my dancing, also at the same time for my protection, because I was living alone because I was kicked out of home. And
Let's go back to that point later in time, because this could also be the reason why there was a 5-year delay of in and out of a relationship. Okay.
For sure. So, and then I met Nats, and then I thought, well, fitness is something, because I was a rugby player in college, and I enjoyed the fitness aspect coming back into my life, and went back to fitness, and then I understood this is really working, and I went to Malaysia, got myself certified, came back to Sri Lanka. Yes, at that time for dancing it was not a big market, and you know, you get paid really little at that time. and I went into fitness little by slowly, and then
And at that time, I don't think 10 years ago, fitness was not a big thing.
No, it
People
wasn't.
went to the gym because they have to.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
nobody found it fashionable to wear like nice fitness clothing and take a
No.
photo.
yeah. So Danu, the market I went was I was going on home visits. So I started small. I used to carry 20-kilo bag. I used to bus it out. Like I used to wake up at 4 o'clock in the morning, go in the bus, train my clients, come back. I worked really hard for that. And for 2 years I did that. Then I invited her because she was a dancer at that time. So I said, you know, I'm making quite a bit, and why don't you also join me? So we both of us came into this whole business thing together, and we created a brand called Fit.lk.
All right, fabulous.
And
On
that's
that
all.
note, we're going to speak more about it, of course. And also, Isuru's shady past. Let's put it that way. With me on the show, I'm actually quite regretting this decision right now as to why I wanted to have him here. He is a dear friend and also quite an interesting person when it comes to a very adventurous life, and also many titles under his belt for powerlifting. But one power that he cannot lift is me. I'm happy to have Cody on the other side.
Hardly working. Yeah.
And I have Cody to balance the show off. We will both weigh the same.
Okay. For the show, I'll accept it.
Thanks for joining me, Cody.
you.
And we are all Peterites.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. You played rugby. You played rugby for a bit.
Yeah.
I was the captain just before them. So it was all during that time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah. If I say it constantly,
What
it'll become reality.
Again, what position did you play?
Front.
Front.
Just one of the people in front.
Okay.
Yeah.
Number? Jersey number?
12, I think.
12.
Okay, you played front, but jersey number is 12.
Yeah, because they promoted me eventually.
Oh,
But they didn't want to change the number.
makes
Okay.
sense.
Nobody's asking you all tough questions, no? It's my show. I ask the questions. So, Cody, you are known as powerlifting Cody.
Yeah.
I'm just worried if you were doing anything else,
Okay.
like cycling Cody.
Cycling, no. Like I said previously, powerlifting is what made me who I am today. And if powerlifting is what taught me more about life and how I'm supposed to get up every day when there are problems, so that's why I got myself into being powerlifting Cody. I don't think I wouldn't be anyone else swimming Cody. I don't know how to swim.
Okay. But let's say in another 40 years' time, if you're going to be known as powerlifting Cody, it's a bit odd, no?
Okay, but you think I should change it?
Just Cody.
Uh,
And that's not even your first name.
yeah,
First
yeah.
name is Danushka.
Danushka with the DH.
Yeah.
But
Yeah, darling, there aren't so many Danus out there.
but I think I'll stick to powerlifting, Cody.
Okay, right,
Yeah.
fine. Now that you have not taken my advice, let's move on. So, Natasha, let's talk about your fitness journey. From dancing to this, it was in your metabolism as well, not to look this good,
Kind of,
annoying.
yeah.
And this maintaining of yourself and always pushing yourself to be disciplined, how did that sort of come about?
Funnily, Isru is the one who introduced me to the gym.
Oh,
yeah,
hello,
I didn't-
Natasha. This is the gym. Gym
Yes,
meet Natasha.
exactly. I had an interesting first day. which I shall not share.
Ane, tell me, because my day is interesting every day.
It's amusing that I even came back to the gym after that.
Why? What happened?
He introduced me to the hamstring curl machine.
Okay.
I did 3 reps and passed out. For a whole 30 seconds, I sat on the floor.
She almost got a blackout also.
No, I
Yes.
did. I did.
It's quite painful, right? This
Yeah.
gym situation is.
Yeah.
But how are you right now?
Right now, I would say really good. I've come a long way. I'm not a very, when you say disciplined, yes, I am disciplined to a certain extent. But I wouldn't go like all out, like crazy gym. I'm not a gym freak. I'm
Right.
easygoing.
Yeah, that's good. I think that balance is what's needed.
Yeah.
Now that this fitness has become such a trend, something that we touched on,
Yeah.
did you ever think that fitness could be people's career? Because at what time, if you ever tell someone, I want to just get into fitness, parents would have been like, Pesuda,
Yeah.
fitness?
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
right.
Yeah.
But I think it's because thing is there is a lot of people who are getting into fitness, not per se like having abs and having that summer body, but sometimes just to be healthy, walk a bit extra, cycle a bit extra. People are getting into it, and I think as a career, definitely we need to supply the upcoming demand. Definitely,
because
young kids are on Instagram lifting not like ego lifting, but they are lifting for passion.
Yeah.
So I think there'll be a good career in the days to come, for sure.
But in Sri Lanka, if you look at it, there is no sponsors for athletes like
Yeah,
that.
true.
Even
Of
if you
course.
could take a fitness physique athlete, they don't have enough sponsors.
Definitely.
So it's a bit difficult for them to do both at the same time. So, but if you go to states and stuff, there are so many sponsors who come in and support the athletes. So
Yeah.
then they can they can concentrate on their sport.
And the
whatever.
journey can be a longer journey.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
like
right.
eventually sign up endorsement positions and things like that. Right
Yeah.
now, one of the reasons I never got into it.
Yeah.
Let's get into a break. On the other side, we have more to talk about. And also, considering the fact that all 3 of them are fitness gurus, this show has a bit of a twist coming our way. When you have the health influencers in the studio, you need to just make sure that you update your social media. Welcome back to the show. I made them update their status updates with what's happening on the show. Cody, just to touch base with you. Now, let's go back in time. Lots of people don't know this story to Cody. Cody has had multiple challenges in life, like every person who is seated here on the show, and that's what makes this show very special. Self-made is a term that we tend to underestimate and like not give the right place for it. When you have everything, it's one thing, but when you have nothing and when you make it is another thing. Tell me about what is it in you that sort of drove you to establish yourself and become something and not take the easy path out.
See, there's a quote which certain times I follow. When you're born poor, it is not your problem, but when you die poor, it is your problem. Not a problem per se, but it is your basically it's your luggage.
Yeah.
You got to do it. So back in the day, I wanted to be like this guy called Legend, but I didn't want to be a legend. I moved that concept from mine to be a man with a purpose, to be a man on a mission, trying to drive someone to be positive, to drive someone to like be someone better than yesterday. My powerlifting was an added benefit for me, but even if powerlifting wasn't there for me, I wanted to make that change for someone. I wanted to be there for someone. So
But
I didn't
what
want
made you
to
be there for yourself? Because you did have a grey past in terms
Yeah.
of alcohol, smoking. You did it all.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
you just literally changed yourself.
I knew my journey wasn't going to be good or great in the days to come if I was too addicted to it. I was definitely addicted to it. I've been in and out of bars and restaurants like literally for 5 days a week, drinking up so many, like every day, minimum like a packet a day I used to smoke. And I knew that if I wanted to change someone else, I need to first change myself. And I changed that. I changed myself to become better. And like growing up as a kid, I didn't have a lot of things, but I wanted to have everything to myself. I wanted to earn it. I don't want to be given, I don't want to be pampered, and like I don't want people to say, hey man, I feel sorry for you, hey, keep this. I don't want that. I want to earn everything what I wanted to be.
But not a lot of people feel sorry.
No, like
Give
some
anything as
people, some people, like you don't, like people don't feel sorry for you anymore. I mean, people love and care for you. But if you have a 20 rupee bank account, because I've had it, I've had 20 rupees in my bank account, and no, there was no one for me, not even my own blood. So that's the thing. It's your monkey or luggage that if you want something, you need to have it. You need to earn everything. Then you're self-made, yeah.
On those lines, Isuru, you do come with this name called Fonseca, which sort of carries a lot of weight over the fact that your grandfather was such an established film legend in our country, and he had a legacy that will live on forever when it comes to Sri Lanka cinema. Coming from such an RT background, you were the notorious one.
I won't say that. I was not that notorious.
But you were a little bit notorious. Why were you kicked out of your house? I never said that, you told.
No, so circumstances happened. You know, there was a time that I had to leave due to family reasons, and those are very, very private.
That's fine.
And I had to leave. So it came to a point that I needed to get on my feet. And I think it was a good thing and not a bad thing.
But I must say, Isuru, I have known Isuru for a long time because he used to dance for Kolu shows.
Yeah.
And that's how I first met him. And there was a time when I saw the shift of Isuru being a teenager and just being goofing around to Isuru becoming a man and taking life seriously.
Yeah.
There was like a direct shift. And I have to say that there was a lot of Natasha involved in it.
Yeah, she played a big part in my life because, again, I come from a broken family. So when Natasha came in, yes, I was, again, because I came from a broken family, I was in and out of the relationship. And it came to a point.
It was hard for you to understand how to create a commitment, a lifetime commitment.
You're right, because commitment was a big problem for me because when I was a kid, I never saw it. So I come from that background, and when it came to commitment, it was so foreign for me, and I was so unconscious about it. When I met two people, Kirby and Fiona, they just introduced commitment to me, and they brought a bigger picture of what commitment looks like. And then I was like, oh my God, I didn't know that it looks like that. And then I found myself. There was so many hurts and broken places in my heart that I didn't see. All of them got healed, and then it was easier for me to commit to Natasha as a couple, and that's how it came to play.
How was it when you sort of first met him?
I didn't want to be with him. He found his way in somehow.
She's not interested in me at all.
Yeah, I really wasn't interested in him
Now?
at all.
Things have changed,
of course.
Okay, let's talk more on that. But right now, let's get into a very different kind of what can I say, hot seat. You're not on the seat. Let's speak more when we do come back. Alright, so hot seat is going to be a bit different. I'm going to ask you all a few questions which you all can answer.
Okay.
And after that, I have a few activity-based questions as well, which
Activity-based.
all three of you have to do, considering the fact that you all come from a fitness background. And you will be all given a gift for it.
Keep
Not
the
all.
gift.
Please, the winning person will get a gift.
Keep the gift. Let us not do that.
No. It's part of the show.
Okay.
Alright? First question. All three of you have to answer it because actually
Together at
for
the
y'all-
same time?
No. Y'all can take the time and answer one at a time.
Okay.
All right. Gaya Kodituaku, Johan Rat, Tarja Alberto. Who would you recommend for a personal training if it's not one of you? Cody?
I'll go with Johan for sure. I'll go with Johan.
I know that Tarja and Alberto do group training, so I'm not too sure. I don't know how Johan and Gaya train, so maybe the other two.
If it's a guy, I'll go with Johan. And I think if it's a lady, I think Guy will do a good job.
All right, thank you. Your personal favorite gym, if not for the two gyms that you currently go to.
Me, high octane.
If it's the gym that you're currently going to.
Okay.
You can switch.
Oh
Yeah,
yeah.
we can switch,
It's-
yeah.
Okay, Zimantra.
We good high octane, I guess. I answered face through.
Okay.
Oh wait. I think I'll stop you there. I want to go to Power World, my first gym.
Okay.
Yeah, Power World.
Tell me one negative thing about the fitness lifestyle in Colombo or this industry.
Go ahead.
Comparing.
Fad. It's a fad. Too many people
Oh.
take it as that.
I think condemning people, the fitness influencers and also certain coaches, just trying to support Issa's point is the fact that everyone has different calibers. Everyone has their different specialities.
Different flavors.
Yeah, different flavors. So I think the fact that everyone should be supportive to each other and not condemn. If a coach is better in his strength and conditioning programming, it might not always adapt to a certain athlete.
Yeah.
Maybe there may be different calibers of athletes. There are different calibers of coaches.
Yeah.
A coach and athlete should work on improvements and not just say, okay, that coach didn't do this, this coach didn't have time for me and all those things. I think stop condemning. We are in one community. We gotta grow together.
Are you kind of giving me a message here?
I hope you take it.
Yeah.
He said condemning. Look here. Stop condemning. All right, the last one. Okay, your go-to spot for healthy meals: calorie counter, daily staple, superfood cafe.
Yeah, we are not on the list now.
Yeah.
What men?
I'm
They're
just-
also healthy.
You can answer.
No, sorry, say that again. What's 3 answers?
Calorie counter, daily staple, superfood.
I'll go for Fuel Cafe.
I go for daily staple.
Y'all are all very safe with your answers.
No,
All right.
I'm serious because it's really.
Right,
What do you
here
mean,
are the 3 questions
How
that
to
I'm
pill
going
out
to
then.
do in terms of physical activity, alright?
Okay.
God.
First is,
Yeah.
all of you will have to rise from your chair.
Now?
Difficult.
Yes.
Okay.
Bye.
My legs are hurting after leg day.
No, just get up. I have to just see who is picking up. This is my chance.
We are breathing heavy.
But the mics have to come
No,
on.
that's okay. You just get you. Alright. I'm going for air sit.
Air
Like those
sit.
wall sit.
Okay.
Air sit. Okay, that can be done, I guess.
Yeah. Right, that's something y'all can't do. Scots, y'all be exposing too much.
Yes, exactly.
Right, I want to see who can do the longest. In 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay.
How low should we start?
You can go as low as you want. Thanks, Isuru. Thank you. I was not asking you all to move. Cody, you look like you're about to.
Yeah, because I'm wearing jeans.
Okay.
Are you happy?
We all look like we want to go to
15
the
seconds.
bathroom.
Let's see who quits first.
Cody, when you're ready.
We can keep rolling as much as we want. I have no
I
problem.
got it from my mama.
I also got it from my mom. My dad
Now
had a
you're
flat
almost
bum.
touching the couch.
No, I'm not.
You are like really going for it. Isuru is actually
Isuru's
currently
like,
winning.
yeah, he's like very
He is
competitive.
currently winning. Cody,
He is very
Workout.
competitive.
No,
Cody,
pre-workout.
Cody,
No
I must say,
pre-workout.
poor,
Yeah, I can't.
poor dip position. I'm telling you, I have seen better. There you go. That's
This-
better, Cody.
Not a dip,
That's-
not a dip.
Oh, whatever that position, Scott position is much better.
Can I?
Keep
Okay,
going,
you know
keep
what?
going.
I'm going to give up.
Okay.
While these
Third
two,
place.
let
Okay.
them take.
I like
the
this.
day.
I like this.
Yeah.
But
let
you are
them-
just seated, Cody.
So you want to do
No, you have been nullified.
I'm wasted there.
Isuru, congratulations. You are the lucky winner.
Trust me.
You are the lucky winner. Congratulations.
Thanks.
Isuru, well done.
Thank you.
Now I see where that curvy booty dishes comes from. It's a lot of work.
Yeah.
I got
lot of
it
squatting.
from my mom. All right, now considering the fact that Isuru has won round 1, we have 2 more to go with. Next is the longest plank.
What?
Yeah, plank is something that's very personal to me. I have done up to 5 minutes with no problems.
Okay.
5 minutes.
Let's see who can do the highest amount of plank. That is 1. Actually, that's about it. That's all I'm going to be doing. All right, so for those who are watching, I'm making them do a plank, and I'm going to time this. But I feel that they have done some
Correct.
deal somewhere off the camera.
No,
No.
of course
I
not.
know you all had a kuchu kuchu moment. What was the kuchu kuchu moment about?
Nothing.
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 But we would appreciate if you also could plank with us.
No, I don't want to. But I am wearing a suit and I have to look gorgeous on this show.
Oh,
Okay, ready? I want to see how y'all are going to do this. I don't even know where my stopwatch is anymore.
that's okay. You won't need it.
No. Yeah, that's the problem. No, y'all are doing something. Okay, ready? This will prove whether y'all should actually
Get trained by them.
train by them
Sure.
or not. 2-minute plan.
Let's try.
No, we'll stick to it.
Yeah. Let's
What? Stick to what? Stick to what?
Okay.
I feel like I'm punishing y'all.
Yes, you are. Terrible.
ready?
All right.
Right, let's go, girls and boys and girls. My butter view. Okay, ready? Cody, what are
So
you doing?
tell me when you're ready, done.
3, 2, 1.
We've already done like 30 seconds already.
Only you did it, Nan. Bum down, Cody. Bum down. Face up. Look
He's
forward.
giving me my medicine.
Yeah.
Oh, cramp.
Please, you are such a bad actress. Such a bad actress. I heard this kind of. Actually, Cody, lower bum is like on my face here.
Okay, how many seconds
It has
gone?
been 30 seconds.
Don't tell lies.
Don't lie.
Don't tell
30
lies.
He put it on
You
after,
put it on later,
like,
yeah.
way
Please,
later.
37, 38. I am not lying. Know how I feel, Cody, now. Know how I feel.
I think.
Here, Cody, this is all your fault.
I think Cody, you deserve to win, bro.
Isuru,
Can we go to side planks?
What side plank? No.
Your
this is the
knees
plank.
hurting, no?
Yeah.
My
You
knees
look
are
like your
blank.
knees
Yeah, I
hurting.
think.
My knees are hurting.
Yeah, I'm also done.
No.
No, Cody, stay.
Cody, you ready?
Yeah.
You ready, Cody?
Yes.
You ready? You ready? Cody won.
Okay, na?
Train with Cody.
Yes.
1 minute and 6 seconds.
That's not bad, huh? That's really good.
There was a theory that was set in the corner and they somehow made Cody win. But as someone who has been training with Cody, it was not a satisfying plan that I saw in terms of performance. But yet, keeping to my word, I have to choose a winner. I actually choose Isuru. For the first, and the plank was done right. Cody, I will train you at the gym tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
How to do a plank.
Plank.
Okay?
Got it.
How Cody has trained me.
Okay.
Right? Talking and doing are two
This is
different
very
things.
personal, very personal.
Very personal.
Talking and doing are two different things, no?
That's
Oh,
true.
yeah.
That's true.
Isuru, well done.
Thank you.
You have captured the true essence of a plank.
Yeah.
What were you looking at? The plank? The plank? Oh.
Yeah, certain elements of the plank.
You were satisfied with the view?
It was,
Yeah.
it was alright.
Oh, all right.
Yeah.
Sure.
They are abusing me. This is sexual harassment on TV.
We didn't say anything.
You
Comment.
aroused, he went on with it. And people think I'm sleeping with Cody. And no, we are not sleeping together, but right now, it's to put their brains to good work. You think too much. In the segment You Think You Know, as how we played it with the ones who are contesting in elections, this time around I'm playing it with the different people from different trade. And you guys are the fortunate ones to first sit through a different questionnaire. But here, the question, somebody's phone rang me. Okay. Today, the questions are based on a 5-year-old's general knowledge.
A what?
A 5-year-old's general knowledge.
5 years.
So actually, it's grade 5 general knowledge.
Now
Okay.
it's stress.
Oh,
Same
dear.
here.
Grade 5,
Okay?
okay.
Ready? Your first question.
Yes. Wait, now how do we answer?
Everyone,
All at
you
the
just
same
raise
time?
your hands.
So raise your hand if you know it.
Like a 5-year-old.
Name one major type of muscle in your body.
Gluteus maximus.
No. There are 3 types of muscles in our body. Smooth muscle, cardiac muscle, and skeletal muscle.
He has just Googled that.
Yeah, okay.
Fail.
My exam.
Hello, I'm not a fitness trainer.
Yeah, fail.
I'm not someone who knows my body so well.
So you think a grade 5-year
No, yeah, grade
knows
5
that?
never definitely no, not.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
From where? Oxford?
No. Question number 2. Fail.
Okay.
Name where are some of the biggest and most powerful muscles are.
Where?
Just one area of your body? Yeah.
Legs?
Right. Specifically, legs where?
Hamstrings?
Hamstring. We all
Thigh.
answered the
Thigh.
Thigh. Okay.
Thigh.
Thigh.
Okay.
When you make a muscle in your arm You are flexing what?
When you're making a muscle in your arm,
Muscle
you're
in your
flexing
arms, your
what?
bicep.
Well done.
Okay.
I know I understood the
Yeah.
question.
What connects bone and muscles together?
Oh, that's a tough
Tendon.
Well done.
Oh.
Cody, congratulations. You are the winner of this round.
Thank you.
You have a gift. Where's the gift?
Still going.
Gift thing about the game. No, I have another gift.
one. He's clapping
I'm
to
still
him.
clapping. Keep the applause going. Keep the... Congratulations, Cody. No
Thank
gift.
you. Thank you. Thank you.
The one segment you won.
No, you'll get a gift. I'll send you a photograph of mine.
Oh, God.
Yeah.
You
Of
just
mine.
confirmed something on live TV and then you went against it right there.
I'm sending a picture that I'm not sleeping with him.
Okay.
Yeah. Although everyone thinks we are. It's another story. But anyway, congratulations. You all have the general knowledge that is required for a basic training session. Of course, I shall teach you all as time goes on different parts of our body.
Sure.
Okay. Thank you.
Let's get into a break. On the other side, we have more coming your way. It has been such a fun show so far. On the other side, we're going to be speaking about some serious things and also what made them who they are. We'll speak more when we do come back. This is Take This Time. And it's time to now put them into a sticky situation.
Sticky Situ.
Sticky situ. I will start with Cody. You have a very troubled relationship with your dad, and you have spoken about it in public many a times. Do you feel that at any point in your life you'll be able to look beyond it?
I've already done it. I think the fact that that's past. I mean, if I hold on to it, I'm just going to be dragged down from absurd amount of chains. You gotta, at the end of the day, it's in the past. You gotta move on forward.
Have you spoken to him about the fact that you speak about the challenges that he has put you through in his life, in your life?
He doesn't know per se that I speak, I do motivational speaking or anything like that. But I've been in understanding situations with him that I was like, listen up. Problems. If you have a problem, directly speak up. We are grown people. Speak up. Let's not base actions based on our anger. Let's just move forward. Just try to have because the same shoes I am wearing is not the same shoe he's going to be wearing. So just like that, just take off the shoes, understand, come into a stable situation of both of us, and that's how we create a discussion right now. Because one thing I do is I avoid drama, I avoid loud anger stuff. Like if someone is coming loud at me or screaming, or if there is any reaction based on anger, I was like, listen up, let's calm down and then take a decision, then create a solution. Because the decisions you make based on anger, it doesn't end well.
Yeah.
It's just going to be more and more chaos. So me and my dad, we are not that we are perfect. We're not perfect. We're not even close to where. But I know for a fact we are 0.1% better than when I was a kid. So I think that's progress for me.
Yeah.
Nice.
Being exposed to alcohol at a young age,
Yeah.
in terms of seeing him and how it was used for the worse, because
Yeah.
there are two types of alcoholics. You have the type who will go to sleep, and you have the type who will react. Having that exposed to you,
Yeah.
and trying to walk away from it, there are two types of people again. Ones who will follow it, and ones who will just despite it so much. What made you take that shift?
Of not drinking alcohol? Okay. I won't say that I'm out of alcohol because I still crave it. I've been in it for almost close to 10 years. I've been
Out of
with
it.
drugs, alcohol,
okay.
smoking. I've been there. So I won't say I don't crave for it. But what I do is I need to discipline myself. I mean, I've taken off so much of close friends. I don't even go to certain social activities because I know I'm a bit weak when it comes to smoking and alcohol. So I do not let my weakness over control me. And you know what? Hey, just a one smoke, just a one glass of wine,
Yeah.
one glass. I do not let that temptation kick into me. So I kind of like take self-control over myself. So that's what I do. I'm not saying that I'm over the addiction. I just take self-control over me. So yeah, that's how I did it.
Well done. And I think that's very important.
Yeah.
Coming to y'all. Now, something that I wanted to speak to y'all is one, people's faith is like one of the main things that defines somebody, and I've always respected anyone having their faith and how they have it, because as long as you see good in a human, that's all it takes. Even if they are praying to a wall, and that if that wall is saying the great things to you to be a good human being, and I think that's all you need, right?
That's
Because
true.
we all want to live and let live.
Yeah.
The church called WOW has always been in conversation of many others, and it got into a lot of controversy in the recent past.
Yeah.
You all are very active members of WOW, and you all have challenged, you all have come through challenges, you all have endorsed it on social media, and you all are pillars of that. How have you all seen the negative comments on social media? And if it's like a close friend of y'all who have said it, how do you all handle that? Because I always say faith is a very personal thing,
Yeah.
and nobody will understand a person's faith. So you have to let that, because I rather love you all for who you all are.
Exactly.
So tell me, how do you all handle it? Because it's an open topic of conversation. these
If it's a close friend, it actually happened to me. I lost a couple of friends over this. Initially, you do get hurt because, I mean, you're a close group and you grow up with absolutely no judgment of each other. We all grew up with like different backgrounds. So you come to a place where you're like, when did my faith affect you? Because we don't bring it up in conversation. We don't go like, this is the way to go, and So we're not like that. We're like free-going people, and it's just that we believe in a different. We have a different belief from probably them.
Yeah.
That's the only. So initially, yes, it does hurt, but later on, you just learn to forgive them because they just don't understand.
Yeah.
That's the only difference.
Because just even our leaders, they've spoken to us like, because sometimes it can be emotional for us, we can get aggressive about it, but it has come to a point that we have understood there is a lack of knowledge.
Yeah.
So someone has told someone, or I heard it from that place, but they have never experienced it.
Yeah.
So the reason we stand strong and we really believe in this place is because we have experienced it.
Yeah.
It was not just a feeling, it was a touch, feel, see, everything all together for our marriage to heal everything.
Yeah, the only reason we are to answer your first question that you asked me, the only reason that we are together is definitely because of WOW.
Yeah.
Like
if,
I would
if,
never.
If it wasn't there, Danu, from the background I have come and everything, it would have either become drugs or suicide, either two things. So if WOW didn't come into my life, I have also been in other churches, but when I went into WOW, I felt home, and I felt that place where I really belong. So I didn't ask Natasha to come with me. She came on her own way.
that's
So we
true.
got our own conviction. I never brought her in there. She came on her own conviction, and I came there because I felt it was home. So yeah.
With all the stories around it, especially last year was very crucial.
Yeah.
How did you all personally handle it?
I think we personally handled it really well.
Yeah, I think
'Cause
both of us handle it really well. Also, as a church, we handle it really well.
the thing is, Kirby and Fiona are really open with their lives and with their people, and it's a close group of people, but they're really open. So, I mean, there's a level of maturity where everybody goes into it together. So, like, there's no like, oh my God, like I go to WOW, I don't want to.
In the end, you need to understand. Just the talk was just about the miracles.
Yeah.
What is a miracle then? A miracle is something that no one can fathom. So if a miracle is happening, you need to come and experience it with an open heart and an open mind, instead of clustering
it.
yourself and taking enough information. So there are so many places, not only at WOW, there's so many places in the world, in Sri Lanka, in other religions, that like healings have happened, stuff have happened. But just because it's a new thing that's happening in Sri Lanka, from the whole world is not doing it, just in Sri Lanka, in a small island, that's why it came out as a big blow up.
All right. From there, we need to ease things out a little bit. So I went on social media, and man, so what's on their Facebook? I did some digging, and I was able to get through to some fancy photographs. Let's just start off with the first one. This is fascinating. Where and why? Let's start with where and why both, please.
Where and why? This is when I was a kid, like teenage days.
That was
Are
in
you
school?
sure?
Yeah, it was a photo shoot.
No.
Are you sure men didn't hit on you?
I had,
Yeah, look at his eyes.
Yeah.
More than, are you sure men didn't hit on you?
no one hit on me.
What?
I was safe.
Please, you should have learned martial arts to survive after putting this picture up on social media.
For sure. I was safe.
Really?
Yeah.
That's a
That
photo
was
shoot.
after
That's a
school,
photo
Isha?
shoot, right?
No, after school.
After school, yeah.
So,
He's wearing eyeliner.
He's wearing the whole works. The whole works.
Oh, I'm gonna frame this.
And Cody, has height ever been an issue for you in life?
Yeah. Oh.
that's a good one.
That's a proper if. It's a proper if. What? How tall is he?
I think
Who
he
is
was
he?
around 7'2". That was right outside R&B when I used to party big time.
That's so cool.
I used to
How
drag a
tall
random-
is this guy? 8 feet?
No, he's around 7'5".
7'5".
Uh,
Little taller than that.
Natasha.
Ah, that's a nice
yeah.
picture.
Tell me about this.
I think
Cute. Ah, this is the time I told you that I'd never want to go out with
Ah,
him.
right.
No.
It
Yeah, a
looks
little
like-
after that.
yeah,
Lila.
little after
He
that,
just
yeah.
kept
this
finding.
is when we started our relationship.
Ah,
Yeah.
cute though. It was a cute picture.
Thank you.
Cody actually, I have to tell you all this. Cody actually hurt my 5 dogs at home emotionally, mentally. He has really hurt them. He refused to pet any one of them. He refused to interact with any one of them. He was like, "Oh, my father was once bitten." Oh. And 2 days after, I noticed he was hugging some dog. Hugging,
Not your
That's
dog.
my dog.
right? And I was like, "So how come there's no fear for this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you're scared of a dog,
That's a baby lion.
oh, I'm sorry, my
That's
Mully is a
around
baby.
Five. No, I think that's around 3 months.
Mully is a baby. My dog is a baby.
Mali wasn't happy that I came.
And this is possible.
Yeah.
Terrible, Danu.
Seriously.
Sorry, Cody.
Cody.
Yeah.
He's also
Wrong,
here.
wrong. Yeah, Danu.
Isuru,
Yeah.
Isuru, I think,
Isa
has the
has a
most
good one.
colorful one. Aww.
Ade.
you were trying to. It's your sister, right?
This is my mother.
She looks like your sister.
my
You don't have a sister, right?
No.
He has 2 sisters.
Yeah.
Very
Yeah.
small, but not.
This is, yeah, they were young.
So, very
God,
big
your
sister.
mom looks fabulous.
Yeah.
What happened to you? But it's a nice picture.
That's why I got it.
But
from
this
my
is
mom.
like, he's known for all the film stars being photographed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Actually, yeah.
And
Hey,
he
you
is
got some
something.
nice photographs
That's
now.
nice.
Bas.
Cody,
Yeah, so that's when I think that's when I started a lot of drinking. Before.
how old were you? 2?
No, that's right after
College?
Yeah, right after
after
college,
college,
man.
sure.
Yeah, during
Unrecognized.
school, yeah. I was drinking. That's when the whole alcohol kicked in for me.
That's why your stomach is like.
Yeah, I was
Yours.
yeah, you know.
Like yours.
No.
Little small.
I don't have it.
Little small. He looks so different.
Yeah.
I would have never recognized you.
Yeah, I would have actually taken him to home.
No, it's in your face. Your face.
This picture proves what you told me. I can't be bothered to be here, but I'm here. Look at you, Isuru, just maneuvering your way in there. That's
Hey, that's Issa.
That's Issa. That's
Issa and her,
That's at
and that's
Holi. Oh, that's when we used to dance together
with
first.
Imran.
Yeah.
Right? That's Imran, right?
We were in Imran's team. This is Imzi.
That was Holi.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We celebrated Holi at his house.
Yeah.
At his house?
Yeah.
Oh, wow, okay.
Outside his house, actually.
Is this a real photo?
No.
I wanted to ask because, you know,
He never.
so-
It
so
was
this
a
is just like me playing rugby.
yes, you got it right.
So we
That's
had
the
a
one.
show. It was a dance act, and I had to play the role of a boxer. Yeah.
You actually can pull it off.
Yeah, he can.
not bad.
He doesn't mind doing the.
Yeah. You look it.
Yeah.
When you get too many medals, you should not eat them.
Yeah, my bad.
This is when?
Yeah, that's that was in 2014. 2014. That's
You
the
won-
Asian medal.
This is not the
Yeah.
Commonwealth one.
No, that's in 2014. That's the Asian medal. Yeah.
This is a very special picture for Cody.
Yeah.
That's his mom and sister. What's the age gap between you and your sister?
14 years.
14.
Yeah, 14
Ooh.
years. Yeah.
That's my first sister.
And I really like this photograph. Say something, will you? When what was taken? Just looking at me as if I know when the picture was taken.
I would have been about 16, 17. Same time that other pictures taken.
Right.
Yeah, about 16, 17, yeah, for sure.
Oh, yes. Yeah, that's my cousin and I. I
And
was a
who
very
is who?
adventurous child.
This was in India, I think. Right?
The right, yeah, it's in India. The right one is me.
Oh, right.
Yeah. I was quite adventurous. Thank God you didn't dig up anymore like that, no?
No, I couldn't because your Facebook was quite private over the
Thank
fact that I
God.
was not.
Now that you brought
friends
this up, I had quite interesting pictures back in the day.
with you. And finally, another picture of Isuru.
Oh my gosh! Wait, look. Now
Yeah.
that you took a picture, it doesn't look like him.
I've always thought he looks like Franklin the Turtle.
And take a mug.
Don't you think?
Yeah, no.
He looks like Franklin the Turtle.
Sir.
I actually call him Frankie because I always thought he looks like this turtle.
Yeah, this-
Keep it next to you, please. There, see? I told you.
I like that. So cute.
Don't you agree? He looks like Franklin?
Yeah, I have a big shell behind me also.
I know. I've seen the hump.
That's a good
Let's
one.
get into a break. We'll see you on the other side. And as our final competition for the day, we are going to play one word.
3, 2, 1. One word.
And it's time to play one word. This is how it works. I'll be asking you all very random questions. Whoever puts in the answer first wins a prize. There's no right or wrong answer. You already have watched my show before for references.
Yes.
Yes. Yeah, we did.
Yes, we did.
Thanks.
I think I did. Yeah.
Anne, here, please just sit on it. Ready?
Yes.
Let's go.
All right. I can't see as well. It's a bit dark here where I'm seated. They've given this dark and shade lighting for me to look gorgeous, I think. Okay. What would you name your boat if you had one?
Natasha.
Fonseca.
She has already got it.
Okay.
What's the closest thing to real magic?
Me.
Who is the messiest person you know?
You.
Isru.
What will finally break the internet?
Me.
What's the most useless talent you have?
Sitting and waiting.
What would be the one?
One word, love. Sitting.
Sitting.
Where is the worst smelling place you have been?
Here.
No. It doesn't. In the
Who
bathroom.
was your worst teacher?
You.
What did I teach you?
Plank.
What was your favorite toy growing up?
Barbie.
A light gun.
If you had to pick a new name for yourself, what would it be?
Issa.
Oh.
Do you feel like a leader or a follower?
Leader.
A leader.
Only didn't answer.
I only
Actually,
answered one. I was
Isuru-
like, Isuru is the fastest.
yeah.
Like, he has words to answer in his mouth already.
You are the
He gave
winner.
us-
Me, you.
Me, you.
My show.
Sorry.
Gift.
Although Isuru, you are the winner, I feel, Natasha, I have a gift for you as well from Glow Collagen. Please
Thank
hand this over
you.
to her. You anyway have gorgeous skin. This is just going to enlighten you and give you all the radiant look and feel that you need.
Thank you.
I think.
Can I try it too?
Huh?
Can I try it too?
Yeah, you can, definitely. You will actually need it. She doesn't. All right, on that note, we need to wrap things up on the show before we go. Cody, you know how special you are to me. I may actually hate working out or going to the gym. I actually genuinely like the place I go to and love the trainer who I've got in my life. I think I just have a lot of fun. I get to share a lot of stories. And I think although one day I might get my six packs, I'm happy at where I am right now. Consider the fact you also don't have one.
Yeah.
The two of y'all, I've always told you how special you guys are. I think you brought the best in him, and I've seen that happen. And I think both of y'all are so understanding and giving, and y'all complement each other so well. And you can see it, and I'm so happy that y'all have found each other and found a life that benefits the two of you so well. And I can't wait to see y'all's babies.
Thank you, Dana.
Yeah.
Very soon.
Consent is needed. Please make sure that he gets it. On that note, we need to wrap things up on the show. Until we see you with another cool episode today with Danu, you have yourself a fabulous day. It's a wrap.